Hello guys, in this tutorial we're going to take a quick look on how to get started very fast with BLE, Bluetooth. And we're going to use the RemoteXY so you can automate a car or look at the temperature on a device or whatever. As long as you have ESP32 with Bluetooth, BLE, you're in for a treat. So first I'm going to open Visuino, and I'm gonna make sure I have a ESP32. With that you have something called BLE server serial. That one we're going to use, and that's going to be used to remote control the Arduino, or ESP rather, for a remote car or whatever you like. We're going to make sure we have some code, and we're going to open the RemoteXY editor, and we're gonna drag and drop some components. I'm gonna delete those. Just gonna take something random, take a joystick, something. Could use a indicator. Let's say we have a whatever that is, and we're gonna take the generate code and copy that one, copy the whole text, copy, and I'm going to move over to Visuino, and there I'm going to add the RemoteXY component, and I'm going to double click this window or press the little arrow and use parse RemoteXY Arduino code. Paste that one, press OK. Now it's going to populate with all the components I just added. So you have an input for the gauge, and you have XY for the joystick. And I'm going to add a protocol. We're going to add a serial protocol because it's going to communicate over Bluetooth serial. And I'm going to mark the board, choose modules and BLE. Set a name on it, RemoteXY. Then I'm gonna hook this one up to the BLE server serial, and I'm gonna go back here to the server settings, and I'm gonna change from Nordic protocol to HC08. That's because it's not supported on the Nordic protocol. And I'm going to just either hook it up to some pins or something on the ESP, or I'm going to, just for demonstration purposes, I'm going to use packet so we can visualize what's happening. I'm going to add 2 analog. Like so, and I'm going to use, let's say, sine analog. I'm going to set the frequency so that's a little bit lower, and connect the packet to the serial 0. This is just for us to see. Doesn't actually use anything useful right now. And I'm going to make sure I have the right board over there, and I'm going to open the Arduino IDE to upload the code. Choose the right board, ESP, correct port, upload. And it's uploaded, and I'm going to open the packet view and the instruments and connect. So right now it's not going to get any useful values at all because we haven't opened the RemoteXY software. So now I am on a phone, I'm in RemoteXY app, and I'm gonna add the communication to the BLE device. So on my phone I should not pair this to my phone beforehand. On some phones you might need that, I don't know, but on my phone it's not gonna work if I have it paired up on the beforehand. So I'm gonna choose the RemoteXY, and there I have it. It's connected. You get the feedback from the analog sine wave, And if you look close at the gauges, when I move this one, I'm gonna send analog values to the gauges in the packet view. So this could be in a remote RC car or a robot or whatever. This could be a temperature gauge. You could use text values or whatever. You just need to change whatever in here. You could remove that one. Let's say delete that one and use a text and get code. Copy it. Go back to Visuino. Double click. Paste the code. Press OK. And it's gonna remove this one and add text instead. We're just gonna use the first input here. So now it's gonna send the same values as before, but as a text instead of the value by itself only. So now I can present it in a text field. So I'm gonna upload that code. Upload it, and I'm gonna go back to my phone and stop it. I still have this one added, so I can still use it. Just press on this one when I want to reconnect with the new code, and it's gonna upload the interface with the new components. Okay, now let's see how it looks. Connect, go into my phone, connect to the ESP, and we got the values. Ta-ta! And the gauges as well are gonna move just as before. It's so easy. Cannot be any more easy than that. It's absolutely awesome. So that's all I have to show for today, and I hope you get very much use with this type of tool. Have a good day. See you later. Bye.